Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again. I'm going to talk with you. I got 10 minutes to do this. As you know, I like to keep these training sessions nice and short. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk with you about how to find the hidden growth within your organization. And for most people, what they think about when they're talking about growing a business, or when they think about growing their business, they talk about lead generation, customer acquisition, and all those sales do solve a lot of problems. If you add people to a broken business system, then you just compound a lot of the issues that you have within your organization. So if you don't have the growth that you're looking for, this is going to be a key training for you. And one of the hacks that I wish I knew when I first got started, but it's going to be a key training for you to help you grow your local business in your market, and it's going to be packed full of content. So go ahead and grab a pen and paper, and let's go ahead and get started, since I have about 10 minutes to deliver all this content. So first and foremost, what you want to do is you'll really be able to track and segment contacts through the customer lifecycle, or through your customer lifecycle, and really have a clear understanding of where they're at in that lifecycle. Of course, I talk about this a lot with our sales funnels, and being able to segment your contacts from cold, warm, hot, post-repair contacts, or customer contacts is incredibly important. And a lot of companies, they don't have anything in place in order to accomplish that. Or a lot of my customers, paintless dent, automobile repair customers, they don't have a CRM in place. They're utilizing Mobile Tech RX, sorry about that, or some other application in order to do the quote process, but they don't really have a process to get it from the quoting software into the post-sale process in order to do email, SMS, and or telemarketing to those customers. So it's incredibly important for you to understand that tracking contacts all the way through the customer lifecycle in your business is one of the big gaps in the game. And if you're not doing it, it's something that I would highly encourage that you do and get implemented as quickly as possible. So let me talk with you a little bit about where most of our clients come and engage with us. Most of us say, hey, you know what? You're a marketing company. How can you get me to grow my business? Are you going to do lead gen, customer acquisition campaigns? Well, of course, this is something that we approach later on in the process, but it's not where we start. Now, the reason that I say that is because if we add leads and customers and contacts to a broken business system, we're going to compound a lot of the issues, whether they're sales related, whether they're customer service related, whether they're whatever type of business process that you have that's broken. More contacts and more sales is going to compound those issues. So what we do is we tell customers, say, hey, you know what? Let's not focus on driving new business. How about we focus on taking care of the customers that you already have? So what we do is we set up a really nice and elegant customer engagement campaign that has to do with email marketing, telemarketing, SMS, text messaging, and things of that nature. What we do is we basically flip our sales funnel on its head, so that we can focus on the areas in your business that may be lacking in regards to building or growing a business. Now, if you have a sales organization, you're making some good money and so on and so forth, but you're not growing, it probably because you have some holes in your game. You have some, I equate a business similar to a pail of water. If you want to fill up a pail of water, if it doesn't have any holes, it's really easy to fill up. If you want to grow a business that doesn't have any holes, it's really easy to grow. But if you have a business that's packed full of holes, and you try to add customers and contacts to it, they're just going to flow out of your business. You're going to lose relationship, and you're not going to be able to protect or grow those relationships over time. So the way that we do this is through our customer engagement campaigns, which consists or starts with a monthly newsletter that talks about your business, maybe links to your repair videos, any new news in regards to your business, customer reviews. And if you're sending these out monthly, you can do a seasonal special and get people re-engaged that you have pre-existing relationships with. So instead of developing new relationships, maybe focus on growing the existing relationships that you have and nurturing those more than you do today. In addition to that, you can also drop them a quick call to see how their repair went. And during this call, you sell for 3 items, and I'm going to talk with you in detail about that. And then during that call, you make sure that you send out text messages people in order to get closure on those 3 items that you're selling for. So let's talk about the post-repair process and what it is that we do with our clients and what we sell for. So we sell for the 4 R's in our telemarketing and follow-up campaigns. Those are reviews, referrals, and repeat business. And the way that we do this is we reach back out to our clients' customers. We ask them how their repair went, get their feedback, and then we ask them if they'll do us a small favor. If they've left a review or not, where they left that review, we'd like to get some information on it. If they haven't, we drop them a quick text to our with a little instruction and a link to our favorite review site. Right there during the phone call, just drop them a quick text. They got it right in front of them. So we close for that review, get it done while they're on the phone if possible. Next, we sell for the referral. We ask them if they would be willing to refer us to friends and family, and then we forward them a text message with a link to our referral funnel. In that text message is basically something that they can just forward to friends and family. Say, hey, you know what, I've used ABC Repair Company. They did a fantastic job on my car. I saw that you might be able to benefit from their services, so I wanted to pass their contact information and a link to their site to you. And what that does is it gives them the ability to forward that on, and they can do it really easily. What we want to do is reduce friction associated with getting reviews and referrals, and this is a fantastic way to do it through a monthly newsletter, through a telemarketing campaign, and if you don't have the resources and or time and energy in order to accomplish that, I would highly encourage that you go out there and source those resources. And maybe I'll leave a description of where you can get access to those in the body of this video. And then inevitably what you want to do is while you have them on the phone is sell for repeat business. Let them know that you're there to support them if they have any other repair needs, and find out if they do, and if not, thank them for their time and move on to the next customer. Now, this should be something that you do on a regular basis. Reach out, track people in that post-repair process. Let them know you're still there. Keep your company and your services front of mind in case they have any repair needs or any supplemental services that you might offer, like, you could upsell headlight restoration, windshield crack, repair, chip repair, detailing if you do that within your organization. There's a lot of different things that you can upsell to those customers, but during that telemarketing campaign, you want to sell for the 3 R's for the services they've already purchased, and then sell for, upsell additional services on the back end. So as you can see, tracking people through the customer life cycle and then knowing what services that you provided to them and what services that you could upsell or cross-sell to them is incredibly important. So if you don't have a CRM or some type of system in order to track this entire process, I would highly encourage that you get one implemented. It's another big hole in the game is most of the companies out there don't have CRMs. They're not tracking their customers through the customer life cycle, and they're definitely don't have a well-developed customer engagement campaign up and running that implements email, telemarketing, SMS, text, message marketing in their business. So hopefully you found a ton of value in that. I know this is something that we're going to be rolling out to all of our customers over the next couple of weeks, and I would assert that the customer engagement campaign is going to be a huge differentiator in the marketplace. So if you found some value in that and you think that somebody else that might be able to get some value as well, please share this video. Remember to connect with us on we're building our Instagram account out. Just started doing that, probably a little late to the game, but we're going to be doing that at Team Razo. So connect with us on Instagram, and I'll be able to answer any questions that you have there. Remember to like and comment the video if you're on one of our other channels. Connect with us on Facebook, all the other channels that we're syndicated on. We hope to see you there and read your comments and answer any questions you might have. So until the next time we speak, make today and every day a fantastic day. I'll talk with you real soon.